We have our equation x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 2y equals 11. And we want to get this to center radius form. And to do this, we need to do this thing called completing the square. To complete the square, you take your b value, you divide it by 2, and you square it. In this case, for our x, our b value would be negative 4. So we take negative 4 and we divide it by 2. Then we square it, and we get 4. So we want to write this out as x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared plus 2y. And we also want to complete the square for our y. So we would do 2 over 2 and square it, and we get 1. So we would be adding 1 to the y as well. And we set that equal to 11 like our previous equation said. But we're not only adding 4 and 1 to the left side, we're also adding it to the right. So we have to put a 4 and a 1 there to add it. And to do this, and now we can factor our equation. We can write it out as x minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 16. And now we can graph this equation since we have it in center radius form. And to graph it, we take our h and our k values, which we know would be 2 and negative 1. So let's look on the graph for 2 and negative 1. So we go right 2 and down 1 to get our center at that point. Now we want to find the radius. And to find the radius, we take the square root of that last value, since it's usually the radius squared. So we get our radius as 4. So this is easy. We can just count the grid spaces and put 4 at the, we can put 4 vertices at the points where they need to be. So we put 1 to the right, 1 to the left, 1 up, and 1 down there. And now we can circle it to have the graph of our equation. And we're done.